It was a big day for tech and teamwork in Little Rock, all thanks to a special event honoring the legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. The Arkansas MLK Commission hosted its very first Tech Summit at Dunbar Magnet Middle School.
Students took part in hands-on workshops. They learned about AI, coding, other emerging technologies, all with help from major sponsors like AT&T and UA Little Rock's technical program. Organizers say the event is part of their Nonviolence Youth Summit series that's aimed at empowering kids to become leaders in this fast-changing digital world.
Dr. King said that we stand by today for two worlds, and the dying old and the emerging new. And we're realizing that right now that there are young people that are emerging into the workforce. And be that as it may, we're truly trying to advance their minds and technology.
Commissioner Scarborough also thanked teachers and community leaders for inspiring students to be agents of change.
Not bad.
Did I see a big robot? Did they make a robot? Or did they bring that in from
I'm not sure, but seeing that it's tech, probably so.
They probably built it there.
Yeah.